Hi, this is Keith Flynn, attorney at the Worth Law Office. I'm the Tulsa Father's rights team here with attorney Brian Jackson. Here to talk to you a little bit about investigation and prosecution. Our system here is to put you on the offense. You may come in here and think that you're defending yourself, but we like to play this game aggressively, and we like to prosecute claims. And what that means is, and I think a great hypothetical for this would be a protective order, for instance. You're a defendant. She's a protected party. But as soon as she files that protective order, she's opened herself up to our investigation. And what that will entail is several tools that we can use in order to acquire information from her, including depositions, written production, interrogatories, requests for admission, the production of health records, mental health records, as well as other people involved in her life that we can request production from, depose, investigate, and figure out the full and detailed picture. And then obviously after we've investigated and acquired a body of knowledge, we prosecute. And what does that mean? We develop your narrative in order to mitigate the claims that she's making, make her uncredible, make her story uncredible, make you credible, and make your story credible. Anything else?
At the end of the day, even if you're the defendant on a protective order, our goal is to immediately go on offense and stay on offense, keep her off balance, keep her attorney off balance. And many times it may not have to go to a hearing. If you're talking about a borderline protective order or one that's clearly frivolous, she may decide it's not worth the hassle and just go away. I mean, that can happen. It does happen for us, and an aggressive prosecution of the case can often produce that result.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and time will tell whether or not she's really interested in playing ball once we're going after her and dragging her into our office to ask her questions for 6 hours and making her produce everything in her life, including all of her friends that she's talked to, text messages, private stuff. I mean, because we're going to get it all, because we got to do our job. Thanks for your time. This has been Keith Flynn and attorney Brian Jackson of the Worth Law Office. This is your Tulsa Father's Rights team.